This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can switch the video crop between wider and, well, narrower or more horizontal or more vertical on this drone. So to start, you will need to switch on the video shooting mode either by switching the remote controller button, this one, or you can also do that through this menu. And now, while in the video mode, simply look to the left of the shutter button, and there is the icon that crops your frame between horizontal, or in this instance vertical and horizontal modes. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.